the progress of monsoons into India. How the monsoonal winds are progressing in India after entering into India, how they are moving. The progress of monsoons. The progress of monsoons. Right. So, monsoons enter into India in the form of two branches. Okay, the Arabian branch and the Bay of Bengal branch. So, monsoons are entering India in the form of two branches, the Arabian branch and the Bay of Bengal branch. Right. The Arabian branch is said to be more powerful branch than the Bay of Bengal branch. This was the prelims question for optional geography. Why the Arabian branch is more powerful than the Bay of Bengal branch? And it was also a short question in the geography option, guys. It is because the entire Arabian branch of monsoons enter into India, because southwest monsoons. Okay, whereas the Bay of Bengal branch, only a part will be entering into India. The rest will be going into the Myanmar and other Southeast Asian nations. Hence, we call the Arabian branch to be more powerful than the Bay of Bengal branch, because the 100% of the Arabian branch enters into India. Okay, yeah. The Arabian branch enters into India in the form of three streams, guys. It enters into India in the form of three streams. The first stream of Arabian branch, right, strikes the western parts of Western Ghats and give rainfall here. So the first stream, and due to the first stream, western parts of Western Ghats will be receiving around 400 to 500 centimeters of rainfall. Okay. The second stream enters the Narmada Tapti Trough. Okay, the second stream enters the Narmada Tapti Trough and give the rainfall in the central India, guys. This was the prelims question. Right. Nagpur receives around 60 centimeters of rainfall. Nagpur receives 60 centimeters of rainfall because of the second stream of Arabian branch. Okay. And now the third stream goes towards Himalayas. The third stream goes towards Himalayas. Here you are having the Aravalis. Yesterday we have seen the Aravalis are parallel to the third stream of Arabian branch. Okay, so they are going towards Himalayas. Okay, the third streams are going towards Himalayas, but here the lower reaches of Aravalis are having maximum of the heights. So the Mount Abu and surrounding areas receive around like 160 to 170 centimeters of rainfall. Mount Abu and surrounding areas receive 160 to 170 centimeters of rainfall because of the third stream. Okay, then the rest is going here towards Punjab, Haryana, guys. So when it is going towards Punjab, Haryana, the hot temperatures which are present here, the desertic conditions which are present here, they are causing the loss of moisture in the winds. That is the reason because of which what happened? 60 to 70 centimeters of rainfall. 60 to 70 centimeters of rainfall is witnessed by Punjab and Haryana. Witnessed by Punjab and Haryana. Right, guys? That is the lower edges of the Shivaliks. And the lower edges of the Shivaliks are receiving rainfall because of the third stream of Arabian branch. Why they are receiving only 60 to 70 centimeters? Because the loss of moisture while passing over the desert. Okay, this is related to Arabian branch. Right? Yeah. Next comes the Bay of Bengal branch. The Bay of Bengal branch, guys. So, two streams of Bay of Bengal branch enters into India. Okay, two streams of Bay of Bengal branch enters into India. The rest will be going towards Myanmar and other Southeast Asian nations, guys. Okay, so what is happening here? One stream of Bay of Bengal branch, right, is passing the Indo-Gangetic plains or Ganga and Brahmaputra plains, right, and reaching the northeastern India. Reaching the northeastern India, and the northeastern India is getting the rainfall. Right. But during the same times what is happening, I will be explaining you a little bit about this Meghalaya plateau, guys. Right. Meghalaya plateau is a rectangular block. Okay. Right. And the Meghalaya plateau is having Garo, Kashi and Jaintia hills. Right. Garo hills, Kashi hills and Jaintia hills are present. Okay, Garo, Kashi and Jaintia hills are present over the Meghalaya plateau. So what is happening here? The arrangement of the hills, right, the arrangements of the hills in the Kasi areas, guys, Kasi hill areas is in the form of a funnel. Okay, so it's in the form of a funnel. So what is happening? The hills are present like this. Okay, so all the moisture laden winds which are rising up here, right, they are entering into this funnel. Okay, and the funnel is going from south to north and converging at Masinram and Cherrapunji. Okay, guys, it is going like this and converging at Masinram and Cherrapunji. So what's happening? All the winds are going and striking at this place. So this area which is harboring the Masinram and Cherrapunji, and they are receiving very high amount of rainfalls, guys. Okay, NCERT has given wrong explanation here. NCERT has given a wrong explanation here, saying that the Arka-Neoma ranges present here, right, Arka-Neoma ranges are diverting the winds, right. So the Arka-Neoma ranges are diverting the winds into these areas of Masinram and Cherrapunji, and they are getting the rainfall. And yesterday while talking about the Arka-Neoma ranges, what I said, the height of the Arka-Neoma ranges is nearly touching the ground. Okay, so when the winds are nearly touching the ground, how can they divert? Clear, guys? The Arka-Neoma ranges are not diverting, guys. If they would have diverted the winds, the areas beyond the Arka-Neoma ranges of the Southeast Asian nations would not have received any rainfall. But these are all receiving heavy amount of rainfall because they are very small winds. Okay, sorry, they are very small mountains. Right, so the first stream is striking the northeast, right, where the orographic effect is seen on the Meghalaya plateau because of the arrangement of the mountains in the form of funnel in the Kasi hills, guys. And at the edge of the funnel, you are having the Masinram and Cherrapunji, which are receiving very high rainfall. Okay, the second stream. Okay, the second stream is striking at the base of Sikkim, guys. The second stream is striking at the base of the Sikkim. Right. So the Sikkim area receives very high rainfall. But after striking the Sikkim, what's happening? These winds are trying to get along with the orientation of Himalayas. We have seen Himalayas are like this. from northwest to southeast they are curved, guys. So the winds will be getting diverted. Winds will be getting diverted towards the left. So the maximum rainfall is seen here in Sikkim. As you are going towards Delhi and Kashmir, again the rainfall is less. Right. So from Arabian branch also the rainfall is not coming, and from here also the rainfall is not coming. By the time they are reaching these areas, the moisture is lost. There is a reason because of which these areas of Kashmir, Punjab, Haryana, etc., they are receiving very less rainfalls. Okay, guys. So this is related to the progress of monsoons in India.